Who's most likely to cancel plans last minute?
Both of us.
Her excuse is meeting आ गया, gym जाना है, and my excuse is I stay in Thane.
Our friendship has started at a very heartbreaking note. I'm like, मेरी कोई best friend नहीं है, तू बनेगी? हाँ, फिर मैंने बोला, चल आज से हम best friend.
Who's most likely to go viral because of something scandalous?
Really? You're asking that question?
I have lots of male friends. Random
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
idiots have
always-
come and told me, how can you like do chest to chest hugs with boys? What?
I was riding my cycle in my society. Sleeveless top था. This random ass uncle came to me and he's like, listen, अच्छे घर की लड़कियाँ ऐसे कपड़े नहीं पहनती.
She really needs to remember that she's beautiful, like, and then choose the guys that she.
बावरे नजारों को तकना, बावरा मन देखने चला एक सपना.
Okay, enough. Please, I'll cry.
Enough. I wanted to cry. That was on point.
Okay, so two besties on the Good Girls show. Ehsaas Channa, Revati Pillai. Hi, girls.
Hi.
Welcome to the Good Girls show. This was long due, and I'm so happy you guys could finally take out time on Friendship Day. By the way, ये हम shoot कर रहे हैं Friendship Day वाले दिन.
So your band?
I have a friendship band.
Where's my band? I don't have a band because she didn't get me one.
Because
Oh,
it's
no.
a soul to soul connection.
Shut up.
Bands are very materialistic.
Shut up. You asked me for a band. Anyway.
Yes, this is the banter that we need, girls. Absolutely correct. Okay, so we will start with something which is called the Good Girls report card.
Okay.
Okay. We will do a report card swap, which means that you have to fill in for her and you have to fill in for her.
Okay, cool. Should
Okay.
we start?
Yes, let's go.
My God, she's just on and on.
चलना जल्दी करना यार मेरा हो भी गया. What a slow. Oh, I know what to do.
Now why you're writing? Now you can't add. I was writing इतना अच्छे से. I thought of something. Stupid
ठीक
girl.
है. Done.
Okay,
Ready.
done. All right, Revati, you go first.
Okay.
Words that have been used for ehsaas.
For Ehsaas, loud, bold, talkative, dramatic, too much.
Right?
Yes. Sensitive also, but
Sensitive, I don't think everybody's seen it. I have seen it. That's what people call, you know.
yeah.
Right.
No, I
Okay.
am also sensitive.
Ehsaas, you go now.
Okay, go.
Sarcastic. Girls, girl. I am also girls, girl.
You're only my girl.
to say,
You're nobody else's girl. I'm very possessive of you,
Achha,
dude.
girls. But girls, girls mean you are.
Nobody's called you a girl's girl. As
I am a girls, girls.
Are you real? Are you for real? Okay, okay, you're a girl's girl.
ठीक है.
Bossy, opinionated, brave.
Why do you think people would have called her bossy?
She is.
How come you didn't do dramatic?
Because you're not dramatic.
Then why do you always tell people I'm so much full of drama?
I've never said that. Who are you hanging out with? तुम बहुत ही शांत, poised, simple, बहुत ही सुलझी हुई लड़की हो.
Good girl हो.
Wow.
चलो अभी remarks पर चलते हैं. So a remark that was on Ehsaas's report card.
She never attends school because you were always shooting, no, Baba.
I was not. Firstly, this is a bad this thing. I was always in school.
Can you
My
not,
mother made
Can you
sure.
not always counter me
Okay,
like
fine.
that?
Okay.
Yeah. She never attends school. Hardworking girl in all other activities. Talkative but good girl.
Ah, nice.
Nice.
Okay, and a remark
You know
that
what? Actually, what
हाँ,
was the
बोलो ना.
real remark that I always used to get?
हाँ.
Can do better.
That in life also,
Yeah,
I
ये-
mean,
ये
still happening,
actually
ये
universal
सबको
है.
मिलता है,
सबको
can do
मिलता है.
better.
Can do better.
there's always
Never
one
had
point for,
potential.
yeah.
Has potential, can do better.
You're right.
ठीक है. Remark that you wished for.
Oh, she bullies her best friend and must relax sometimes.
And I
Okay,
was
चल
like,
Ehsaas हाँ.
a remark that was
Hmm.
need to be more friendly and is a slow kid.
Slow kid.
I'm not slow.
She's very slow.
In what sense?
That's just offensive at this point. That's just offensive to me and my friend.
A remark that you wished for. See, now I thought
हाँ.
that she would have wished for this remark.
अच्छा ठीक है वो भी.
So I
fair.
said very good child, brilliant kid. That she
Okay.
would have wanted this
Did
remark.
you never got
Always
this?
a brilliant child.
पर ये मिला था remark कभी? Very good child, brilliant
Yeah,
child.
I was a really good child.
How would I know? I was in school with you.
Now you're mad at that?
Yeah.
How can
फ्रेंड्स बनाने में कभी दिक्कत हुई दोनों को?
नहीं, मुझे कभी नहीं हुई. मैं बहुत ही फ्रेंडली बच्चा थी. This one thing about my mother used to say about me is like, ये बड़ी फ्रेंडली है, इसके दोस्त बड़ी जल्दी बन जाते हैं. भाई आज नहीं हो रहा. आज ऑपोजिट हो गया. आज बड़े मुश्किल से दोस्त बनते हैं.
But have you felt that as you grow older it becomes difficult to make new friends?
Yeah.
है ना?
I feel like when you're younger, you have more confidence.
Yeah.
And you are less inhibited in life.
Hmm.
Now you have like, you have to think before saying something and you are more conscious and stuff and it becomes difficult, I think.
Yeah, I think you filter yourself more before talking
that
now.
filter is only not
Correct.
there, no, but
तुम वो इंसान को करीब से नहीं जानते हो, you really filter yourself and make sure
Yeah.
you sound smart, make sure you sound a certain way. But once you become friends, then it's the easy part.
Right.
But yeah, I think it was very easy to make friends. Like I was not as friendly as her because I was a little shy. Even today I'm shy. Like when I go out for parties and she's with me, I'm just like, yes, let's leave. Yes, at least stay. I'm always very shy. But now it's much better. पहले से, like when you know me, तब से तो काफी better.
100%.
I always say that every introvert person needs an extrovert friend.
And I agree.
Do you remember the exact day when you guys met each other for the first time, became friends?
Yes.
I know the day we met
Huh.
and I remember the day we became best friends.
Okay, tell us.
Bitch.
I would like to tell the part where the day I met you.
हाँ, go tell.
Okay, so
ठीक है.
let me start with.
Please don't tell
We
the
go-
Anda story. Huh?
I'm telling the Anda story that because that's the story how I know you. Like I met you. So the first time, like even before this Anda story, is when मेरे show का premiere हो रहा था, and she came. She entered like nobody knows me because I'm a new face and मेरा show release हो रहा है, मैं कहीं कोने में खड़ी because मैं तो किसी से बात करने से रही. And then comes Ehsaas. And everybody's, oh my god, Ehsaas. And I was like, dude, I know that girl. I was like, कहाँ देखा था? I was like, oh, this is the same girl. बोल के cut to 2 years later, we are doing a workshop for a show. And
What show? Tell na.
Koda Factory.
Kota
we were
Factory.
doing. हाँ, हाँ.
हाँ.
Show.
तो-
Sorry.
So we are doing a workshop for Kota Factory.
हाँ.
And then she walks in and I'm like, oh, she's also a part of the cast. And then I was like, अच्छा, maybe she'll have her own tantrums कि मुझे ये चाहिए वैसे चाहिए. She did nothing. She removed her bag. She removed 4 different dabbas. She sat on the ground and she's like, किसको अंडा चाहिए? And I'm just staring. I'm like, huh? This is who she is. And that's when I was like, nah, she's not like others. She's different. Just kidding.
Aww.
No.
Yeah, but
She's
the
very-
funny thing is that during season 1, Kota Factory, we were not friends.
Yeah.
Oh.
We were not friends at all.
We were work friends.
We were acquaintances.
Yeah,
we were
colleagues.
Because we
actors.
were actors.
Then after season 1, we did another show called Interns. वहाँ actually हमारी
हाँ.
दोस्ती हुई. वहाँ पे properly हमारी दोस्ती हुई और दोस्ती में बताती हूँ कैसी. लॉकडाउन, ये पीक कोविड है 2020 और हम लोग शूट कर रहे हैं, सब मास्क पहन रहे हैं, सब पीपी किट में हैं, हम दोनों डरे हुए हैं. And the one incident has happened. I'm not going to tell you what incident. I'll
ठीक
tell you
है.
off camera. One
ठीक है.
incident has happened.
Okay.
Okay.
Wow. Oh, yeah.
Inside.
I am
हाँ.
going through a tough time. Okay, I'm going through really very bad time. Okay, in life, and I'm coming on set and she's the one who has like fully gotten me out of it, and that's when we became best friends.
Yeah.
And I remember randomly we all, I'm like, मेरी कोई best friend नहीं है, तू बनेगी?
Oh, that's so cute.
तो बोलती हाँ. तो बोला, चल आज से हम best friend. ये किया है हमने, literally. ऐसे
and
नहीं over time हम close हुए हैं, हमने build किया relationship. एक दिन बैठा है, दोस्त बनेगी, best friend बनेगी.
Done.
All right, let's do something fun now. It's called Who is Most Likely to?
Okay.
You know the drill, you know the
Lovely,
game.
yes.
Ready? Okay. Who is most likely to accidentally go live on Instagram while ranting? Most likely to get scammed by an online shopping ad.
What? I didn't get scammed.
I also never got scammed.
Huh, so we both were.
But the thing
You
is
know,
most
you got
likely
a
to.
scam call in front of me.
Yeah, that was the first scam call that I got saying कि बेटा आपके पापा ने मुझे 20,000 रुपए दिए थे तो मैं आपको भेज रहा हूँ. And I was like, okay, sure.
And
पैसे आ रहे हैं मेरे
इसने,
account
and
में.
इसने पता है ऐसे मेरे घर पे दिए
हाँ.
और इसने कुछ कर रही थी and then she put it on speaker and I'm also listening to this conversation. I'm like, wait, I'm like, Ritu getting scammed, Ritu getting scammed.
And we both
So
got
funny.
excited. And he was
Yeah,
like,
we
बेटा
were
मैंने
happy.
आपको गलती से 12,000 रुपए एक्स्ट्रा भेज दे, आप मुझे भेज दो.
हाँ.
And we were both like, कि क्या हो रहा है? So it took us some time to figure out कि क्या हो रहा है. But eventually it was just a text message. I never got money in my account and everything. So then I was like, let's go. First cam call, and then we congratulated each other. So, wow, I was so happy to be there to witness this with you.
Wow. Okay. Who's most likely to cancel plans last minute?
Both of us.
And what's like your
Both of
go-to
us.
excuse?
Her excuse is meeting आ गया, gym जाना है,
बीमार पड़ गई.
बीमार पड़ गई. And
हाँ.
my excuse is I stay in Thane.
Actually, that is an excuse.
Come
Yeah,
on,
valid है वो.
that's just a statement. I stay in Thane, dude. I have gotten out of auditions like that. I mean, not like that. Not like that. Can I please complete? I meant कि मैं परसों आ रही हूँ अंधेरी तो मैं तब आ जाऊँ ऑडिशन के लिए. And then
हाँ.
like मैम तब तो पॉसिबल. मैंने कहा यार मैं थाने में ठीक है मैम हम फिगर आउट कर लेंगे.
Okay, who's most likely to laugh in serious situations?
Both of us.
Both of us. We love it.
Most likely to get back with an ex. ये तो I also know.
I think every person who knows Ehsas, even as a person, like a human being, knows that
Like I
this
don't.
is something that she would do.
Yeah.
Dumb moves.
Okay, feel guilty for saying no to plans.
Both of
Who's
us.
most
both of
likely to?
us.
Really?
Both of us are pathological people pleasers. Both of us. So,
Yeah, fair.
Who's most likely to get a tattoo of their partner's name?
Tell me honestly, have you gotten one?
not yet.
But would you?
After marriage, yes, I will.
Okay.
तब तो पता चल जाएगा ना कि यही है.
Okay, ठीक है. Most likely to borrow an outfit and never return.
You.
Which one I
You
have
took
to?
my heels and you've lost it.
Oh, yeah.
She's lost my heels.
Yeah, and we're not even the same size.
Yeah.
3 size बड़ी heel पहन के वो event पे घूम रही थी.
हाँ, और मैं तेरे हील पहनी थी. क्यों? क्योंकि हमारा आउटफिट के साथ मैच नहीं कर रहा. करके हमने स्विच कर लिया.
Okay, who's most likely to go viral because of something scandalous?
Really? You're asking that question? You should know. Thanks
Yes.
to you.
But I don't believe that's the most scandalous thing you said, Ehsas. उससे भी ज़्यादा हुआ होगा, I'm sure.
On camera, I think that's the
No.
Really?
There is one very scandalous thing. I don't think we can say it on film.
Okay, we will never know. Have you said something and regretted, Ehsas? Like something that you can share with us?
I've said something and no, not yet.
Nahin?
Not yet. Not on camera.
Okay.
In life, yes, a lot.
Of course.
Yeah.
Okay, who's most likely to become a meme?
चलती फिरती मीम है ये.
मैं से बात करती हूँ मैं.
Acha, do you guys send memes to each other?
Yes, that's
I'll
Love
show you
language,
our
no?
Instagram and
Yeah.
the conversations are memes. Memes. We barely speak to each other.
yeah. WhatsApp is where we do conversations.
Though sometimes there also we
Sometimes there also we're just like yeah,
in
bro.
stickers we talk.
Yeah, stickers are disgusting by the way.
Mine, na?
Both of us.
All right, now tell me something. Tell me that one time when you think this is for both of you, when you think that she really showed up for you in a way that nobody did.
You know, I'll tell you what. There's no one moment like that. Like because she, like for me, she's my go-to person for everything. So I know that anything happens, she's the first person to know. She's the first person I'll call. Even if it's a fun thing or a good news or a bad news or something difficult, I will always go and tell her that. So I remember the first one time she did not show up for me.
I couldn't because she called me at 12:45 and she had 3 people around her. तो मैंने कहा कि जरूरत है क्या? तो
मैं थाने में रहती हूँ.
Yeah, that's where I played the card. Yes.
थाने.
So I asked that person. मैंने कहा आना जरूर. कहता है नहीं. Please do not come. It's just stupid. She's stupid. Do not listen to it.
I did something stupid.
Yeah, she did something stupid.
And I
so
was panicking.
unnecessarily. But yeah, there are multiple
But
times where
she's always there for me.
there was one
Hello.
time when I really needed her at 3 a.m. So then I was like, listen, I need to come to your place right now. And she was like, okay, come, whatever, come. And she was there and I stayed with her and then everything was fine then.
Yeah.
So she's actually my 3 a.m. person. Like I can call her any time of the day, but nowadays she started putting her phone on DND mode, so I'm a little worried for my life.
Sorry, मैं नहीं डालूंगी अभी.
Please मत डाल. मुझे या फिर bypass पे डाल दे.
है bypass.
हाँ तो ठीक है.
अच्छा, now I want to talk a little about girlhood because the show का नाम है The Good Girls Show. तो मुझे बताओ individually आप दोनों को कभी भी like have you ever felt or heard from somebody or have you ever felt that you are required to be a good girl, and what have you understood of that?
It's always been indirectly, or I've heard it behind my back. I was an actor when I was in school, so I was under this impression, like people had this perception about me that Arey, she's an actress, maybe she's not, she's not a good girl, she's a bad girl because she's an actress, and she's a child actor, so uske upar se she's from the industry. So like some teachers used to, I remember मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड तब मेरी स्कूल में, तब मेरी टीचर ने आके उसको कहा था कि इससे दूर रहो, ये अच्छी लड़की नहीं है क्योंकि ये एक्टर है. तो इट एक्चुअली स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम देयर. Then it went up to then the personality that I have. I'm a very outgoing, loud नहीं कह सकते, मतलब outgoing, jolly person, and I have lots of male friends. So कि अरे इसके तो इतने लड़के दोस्त हैं, तो she's तो all sorts of slurs are used. So ये सारी चीजें हैं ना, तो वो कि इतने, like I've had people come and tell me कि ना लड़कों को ऐसे मत हग किया कर, chest to chest मत हग कर, always give them a side hug. I've always heard this from people, and not my like family members or anything, like random idiots have come and told me, how can you like do chest to chest hugs with people, boys? I'm like, what? Like this doesn't make any sense. Do a side hug or like shake hands. Why do you abuse? You're a girl, you shouldn't abuse. Like girls don't abuse.
Yeah, of course.
Those things. So these things I've heard a lot.
Revati, what about you?
Initially, like be a good girl तो मैंने काफी बार ही सुना है, मतलब वो तो like मम्मी कहती है वो तो फर्क होता है. But there was this one time where I was riding my cycle in my society, and this one uncle came to me, and I was wearing a halter neck top, sleeveless top tha. So then this random ass uncle came to me and he's like, listen, you should not wear clothes like this. अच्छे घर की लड़कियां ऐसे कपड़े नहीं पहनती है. तो मेरा ये था कि मेरी मम्मी ने मुझे ये कपड़े दिए, मैं कुछ अगर मम्मी को दिक्कत नहीं तो आप कौन होते. बट तब तो like I'm also in the 2nd, 3rd standard when he made this statement, so I was really upset. So I went back home and I started crying and I was like, Mama, this happened. And then she's like, no, that's not how it works. If you want to wear something, you should wear. ऐसे नहीं कि किसी ने आके बोलते तो तुम रोते रोते घर पे आओ. Even when I used to go to my native place, when I was young, तो the sleeveless मतलब मम्मी कहती थी कि मत पहना करो because maybe they will not like it. So there was also this one time where I wore a sleeveless top to my native place, and this other दूसरी घर की auntie has stared me from my head to my toe like at least 10 times. And then again, male friends. My mom has never had an issue with the amount of guy friends I've had in school, in college. Even today, I have more guy friends than girlfriends.
I want to ask you, how does friendship with guys work? Like, how cool is it, and how different is it from the friendship that you share with girls?
My guy friends they are like my saheliyas. They are literally my sakhis, and they are a part of everything that I do, I want to do, my family functions, big days of my life, bad days of my life. They are a part of everything, and the trust that you get from them is really like, I don't know how to explain it. It's real. I mean, it's really magical. I love hanging out with my guy friends. And they give you that sense of security, that sense of safety. कि मतलब मैं अगर कहीं 2 बजे भी कहीं बाहर आना है, I'm like, listen, can you come pick me up? He never says a no. He will always come pick me. He will make sure I'm home. They are like my go-to people, and I really love that.
That's amazing. That's amazing. Ehsas?
Yeah, I think that it really depends on the guy also, how they are. I feel like most of it depends on the guy to maintain a guy friendship. Like I've also had experiences where I'm very good friends with a man, and they have thought it differently, and they have come around and said, no, we love you, we want to take this to another level types. That's when it gets really ugly, and then I've broken friendship. So it really, like, I feel 80% of that friendship works on the guy, depends on the guy. But it is genuinely fun. You can actually, I feel like you can be yourself with them, and you also get a male perspective easily. You have access to male perspective, and how when you want to romantically get involved with someone else, you come to your male best friend to figure it out. So I think it's fun.
Are you guys able to sit with them and talk about feelings? वो कर पाए हो, like with girls I think we can do that easily,
मेरे वाले से हो जाती है. मेरा वाला मेल फ्रेंड भी बहुत सेंसिटिव है.
हाँ.
वो एक्चुअली ज्यादा वही बात करता है. जेसन वही मैं कहती हूँ कितना रोता है यार तू कभी तो फन बात कर. So
Nice.
Yeah, no, I'm able to speak to my male friends about feelings also. Luckily, I'm
Amazing.
like that.
Yeah, मुझे actually ये भी लगता है that I think male friends are able to talk about their feelings with their female friends
Yeah.
better, I think.
Yeah, that I have experienced a
है ना?
lot where I have a friend who was going through a hard time and he came to me and he just started crying. And I'm just like, and when somebody cries in front of me, I get a little awkward and I'm just like, funny. And I'm just like, there. Because I don't know what to do, what kind of comfort this person needs. I know what I want, the Samnala person might know what I want. But now I don't know what this person wants. And I'm just like, listen, what do you want me to do? Like, you want me to sit here? And he's like, yeah, just sit here. And I said, okay, fine. And he cried. So I think they are very emotionally available both ways. Like, even I can be very, I can be my most vulnerable self in front of them. Even they are their most vulnerable self.
Nice. Okay, I want to come to the other part of this conversation now, and I want to ask you girls, have you girls felt shame around something? Like shame around talking about something? Let's say shame around periods or shame around talking about sex. ये कभी रहा है? Has this been like a baggage?
स्कूल में बहुत देखो मेरी मम्मी ने तो कभी it never came from my mother. My mom was always very obviously she was the only one who told me about periods in the first place, but then there was no shame कि ऐसे don't talk about it to people or she was very chill about everything. But yes, in school, like, because my friends were told you can't talk about periods or you can't buy sanitary pads or say sanitary pads or say the word period in front of anybody, because they were unfortunately in that environment where they were taught not to say these words. So then obviously when I would say period, they would always shush me कि अरे नहीं ऊंची नहीं बोलना. So then for me that was okay, maybe this is it, this is how it is. But then again, as I grew up, went to college, I had a different set of friends and they were very chill about it, and also my mom helped in that. So धीरे धीरे मतलब वो एक होता रहता था, कभी होता है कभी नहीं होता. पर आज तो मैं बड़ा खुल के बोलती हूँ कि महीना चल रहा है.
Okay, so now we're going to get into something fun again, because you both are also very, at least Ehsaas, a little more, I think, is more unhinged than Revati is.
100%.
Okay, so this is Zivame Presents Unhooked and Unhinged, alright? There is a little shame also around talking about bras and lingerie, right? अगर दिख गया, हाँ, oh my god. Like, have you seen, आप किसी भी mall में जाओ and if you go to the lingerie section, यार मैं, I will confess that अभी मैं जब जाती हूँ ना तो मैं ऐसे देखती हूँ कि अच्छा मुझे देख कौन रहा है. Like, who is actually, like, how many people are actually looking at me?
I've never felt that.
Hey?
I've never had, that thought has never crossed my mind.
You know, I was very shy until 3-4 years ago when we went shopping. This is, I think, after COVID, when the first time we went for lunch and then we went shopping and you were like, okay, let's go to the bra section. And I'm just like this.
I don't remember.
And yeah, because it was very normal for you. And I'm just
Nice.
like, मैं उसको कैसे बोलूँ कि मुझे शर्म आ रही है.
Hmm.
But then she went, she walked, she bought, and she like, तुझे चाहिए? मैंने कहा नहीं, मैं यार ऑनलाइन मंगा रही हूँ.
मैं तो इतनी बदतमीज हूँ, मैं तो वहाँ पहन के ऐसे लगा के रखती हूँ अपने ऊपर कि ये ठीक है,
ये अच्छी लग रही है, खराब लग, इसको उतारते कैसे?
फिर मुझे बोला है मेरी एक और दोस्त, उसने बोला कि ये नहीं करना, ये रहने देते, तुम हो ओपन, इतना नहीं लगा.
So I think after that I have been a little more open about कि अच्छा कपड़े तो है भाई,
हाँ,
मतलब
correct.
गलत तो तुम कुछ कर नहीं रहे हो कि
बिल्कुल.
ऐसे इतना शर्माओ. तो
ना
उसके
पहनो
बाद
तो
से
दिक्कत, खरीदो तो दिक्कत,
दिखे तो दिक्कत.
हाँ बे.
Okay, so now I'm going to give you options, and you have to we all can come up with fun stuff. This is things you can say for your bra and dash. Okay, so things you can say for your bra and partner.
Thanks for supporting me always, lifting me up.
Wow,
That was really quick, no?
Very good. Good
That's
job.
nice.
I wouldn't have thought of it.
That's nice. Things you can say for your bra and girl bestie.
You're very expensive.
Thanks for making you look pretty.
मेरा ही किया ना कॉपी.
Pretty क्या? Pretty बोला मैंने यार.
ठीक है हाँ.
ठीक है. Things you can say for your bra and mom.
You're very comforting.
Always holds me tight.
Now you just went down.
No, it was a smart answer, yeah. My
Yeah.
mama also holds me tight, no? ऐसे
Yeah.
बच्चे को ऐसे protect करते
Oh,
हुए.
yeah, something
तुम्हारा
like,
दिमाग ही खराब है.
I will always need you even when I'm old. Yeah, so.
That is a nice one.
Amazing. That's very good.
That's actually very nice.
Okay. Things you can say for your bra and ex.
I don't use wear and tear. I don't know. No, that's not what I
No, this is very good. Please stick to this. You snap very easily.
Things you can say for your bra and therapist.
I need you.
Fair? Correct?
Yeah, I think, yeah.
Correct?
100%.
That's right.
bet.
I need it.
Yeah. And lastly, things you can say for your bra and crush. And your crush.
I want you.
Essas, now you're just like assertive, imperative, interrogative.
No, but
ऐसी
she's-
sentences में बोल रही है यार.
ज़्यादा English में बोल.
I would also have said the same thing. Like, I want
I
to
want
have
you.
you.
I want to have you.
Revati, say.
Flowers look good on you.
Flowers look good on you.
I
Come on,
must
there are
have
flowers
you
on the bras which are very cute.
Correct.
And if I
Correct.
give my crush a flower, then I can also be like, hey, flowers look good on you.
I still win, but
like
okay.
that.
Yeah, I didn't say anything. Jesus Christ.
Ah.
Okay, all right. Let's move on to another fun segment which is called the firsts. And we are going to do a friendship firsts today. Okay?
First impromptu crazy plan. क्या
हम जितने साउंड करते हैपनिंग उतने है नहीं.
हम बूंदी चले गए थे ना.
मैं वही सोच रही थी.
अरे
हम बूंदी पुश कर
हम
गए थे.
कोटा फैक्ट्री में कोटा में शूट कर रहे थे
Hmm.
और रैप अप के बाद हम सब बॉम्बे आने वाले थे पर हम बूंदी चले गए विच इज क्लोजर टू कोटा इन राजस्थान.
Hmm.
एंड हाँ dude that was actually very crazy.
That was actually.
Hmm.
हमने 3 दिन पहले प्लान. 3 दिन
हाँ.
में नहीं 2 दिन पहले प्लान.
And we were staying also somewhere very, I don't remember. Oh, we were staying in no.
Yeah.
No, it was like the 5 of us actually.
Hmm.
All the cast and the director and the DOP. We were all sleeping in one hall.
Yeah, it was actually very.
It was actually very crazy.
really crazy.
Ah,
Nice.
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay. Revati.
First fight.
हमारी
We were just discussing.
We were
We have
discussing
never
this only.
fought in 6 years.
Really?
And she was like, Reti, it's just abnormal. We should fight. And I'm like, why you like? Let's not jinx it. It's good.
Hmm.
But ऐसे नहीं कि we've not fought. We've had our fair
Arguments.
share of arguments where she's done dumb shit and I'm like, listen, this is not cool. You can't do this.
Hmm.
I have done dumb shit and she's like, listen, you can't do this. It's not cool.
Essas.
First time you gave each other brutally honest advice.
Oh, from the very first day we met.
From the very first day. In
Yeah,
fact, like
100%.
when we became best friends, I think that is when she was like, कि, पता है ये तेरे से इसलिए हुआ है क्योंकि तू ही एड़ी है.
Correct.
तेरी गलती है सारी.
तू भाव ज्यादा देती है ना इसलिए.
ये ज्यादा मत बोला. ये कर रहे हैं.
First time you cried in front of each other. Every
Aww.
other day. Just kidding.
But that during interns only
हाँ.
when I became friends with her. Our friendship has started at a very heartbreaking note.
Hmm.
Very it's a difficult note.
Hmm.
Yeah. First impression.
First impression you had of each other.
She told mine, na, where she met me. Anda story. Mine was actually very. I had never met her. Even at the premiere, I don't think I met her. We met at that Kota Factory workshop. I really don't remember her.
Hmm.
I don't remember. I don't have any impression of her. And during the show,
You could have skipped that, easily.
when we were shooting together, I was thinking ki she's too introverted.
Yeah.
She's not putting an effort to speak to me or become my friend.
So we want to end on a very sweet note, and that's why I have 2 questions for both of you. One is that you tell me something that you think she does not give herself enough credit for.
I think this I've told her personally also. I don't think she gives herself enough credit for the amount of hard work that she puts in and the amount of effort she puts in for other people and the amount of love she puts in for other people, because I personally feel that she's a very loving person. Like if she loves you, she will love you. She will probably, diss you with her love, which is I think an amazing thing. But when the person in front of you is not reciprocating that kind of love, I don't think it's worth it. And I don't see her valuing herself so much, which you should do. You're a great person. So you should actually value yourself.
You are also okay only.
Yeah, you should, I think, really value yourself. You're a great person. You're a very, very, very good friend, and I'm really happy that I have you.
Okay, enough. Please, I'll cry. Enough.
I wanted to cry. That was on point.
You tell me now that if she ever doubts herself, if Revati ever doubts herself, what do you want her to remember?
That if you're my best friend, there's a reason. Hear me out. Because you are such a wonderful person, you're so understanding, you are empathetic, your emotional quotient is off the chart. That is why you have stayed in my life for 6 years. So she needs to remember that she's a wonderful person. And then she's also immensely beautiful. Like she really needs to remember that she's beautiful. Like people, I can't, there are times when I don't look at her constantly because I'm like, अरे इसको नजर ना लग जाए, इतनी सुंदर है ये. So she needs to firstly remember that and then choose the guys that she forgets. Oh, gosh.
वही मैं सोचूं, how can Ehsaas talk continuously so nicely about a person?
Yeah. So,
Without demeaning that person. I'm not demeaning me.
yeah.
Okay.
So yeah.
I feel that एहसास का ये जो ह्यूमर है ये कहीं ना कहीं इसका थोड़ा कोपिंग मैकेनिज्म है.
हाँ 100%.
है ना?
वही है उसका coping.
ये मेरा coping
या वो चार गाली देगी तो coping
वो
mechanism.
जैसे इमोशनल होती है एहसास
मैं अनकंफर्टेबल
हड़बड़ा
हो जाती
जाती
हूँ,
हूँ.
awkward हो जाती हूँ तो मैं जोक मार देती हूँ या कोई गंदी चीज बोल देती हूँ.
yeah,
But yeah, she's amazing. And she's my best friend. I can't live without her. I don't know what I would have done without her. Like she knows everything about my life. Everything. Like सुबह potty भी See again I again said something also because I was getting
you
awkward.
did it. Okay.
Like we are that good friends that we can speak to each other on sitting on the
Pot.
bathroom. Yeah.
Sitting on the bathroom.
Okay, and we all know that Revati कितना अच्छा गाती है. So do this for us, please. Like sing a song for us.
जाने तू तू है तो आई okay fine then sing some दोस्ती का ये दोस्ती.
Okay, you
That's
process.
my best friend. She's a
She needs to sing something soulful.
Yeah,
na?
I
know.
I don't sing all those.
I know her
songs.
genre.
Yeah, thank you.
Chal.
गा.
Okay, this Bawra Man. बावरा मन देखने चला एक सपना, बावरा मन देखने चला एक सपना, बावरे से मन की देखो बावरी है बातें, बावरी सी धड़कने हैं, बावरे है सांसें, बावरी सी करवटों से निंदिया दूर भागे, बावरे से पैर चाहे बावरे झरोखों से, बावरे नजारों को तकना, बावरा मन देखने चला एक सपना, बावरा मन देखने चला एक सपना.
Wow.
बहुत अच्छा गाया.
See?
Oh,
इतना ही अच्छा लाइफ में तू बोले ना.
मेरी संगत ऐसी है एहसास, मैं क्या करूं.
देख अभी कितना अच्छा प्यारा गा रही है. हाँ.
Okay. All right. Now I have to give you both things before you get on the start.
Yeah, लेके नहीं जाना चाहिए, एक्टर बन गया हम लोग।
With this one is for you, and this one
अपना खोलना,
is for you.
थैंक यू।
खोल सकते क्या ऐसे? नहीं
जो आपका मन.
दिखा नहीं सकते ना,
नहीं दिखा सकते हैं।
दिखाएंगे। ये वॉलेट है कि पासपोर्ट?
Passport.
ऐसा सब तो चल ले बहन, लंदन चल ले यार, सारी जगह।
सितंबर। ये कैमरे पे आज तू कर दे वीजा के लिए अप्लाई, ऐसे मिल जाएगा।
तू बैठी है वहाँ,
अरे मिल जाएगा यार, तू करना अप्लाई।
Nice color, no?
very nice color.
Very
There was a time this was Esas's favorite color also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lilac.
Now it's not. Thank you, Zima.
Very cute.
And this one is from me to you both.
Thank you.
Because yeah, why not? Girls
Thank
should give
you,
girls
thank you.
flowers.
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh, no problem.
Thank you.
I will get. And thank you for being on the Good Girl Show.
Thank you for having
us.
We
I
really had a
love
great
this
time.
show. Actually, I wanted to be on it for a while now.
Yay! Thank you.
Thank you.